everybody, it's Ashley, and this is a product introduction video for Ink2Paper's July 2019 release. In this video, I'm going to be introducing to you Inside Greetings Endearing Birthday mini stamp set. It comes on this small 3x4 sheet, but it comes very impactful with 3 different endearing birthday messages designed by Rebecca Luminarius. And this stamp set retails for $6, comes with the label affixed, the carrier sheet attached, just like so. Again, there are 3 different messages for birthday greetings in this stamp set. Great value for $6, because a lot of times we create these elaborate, beautiful, artistic birthday cards, and then we're like, what do we say on the inside? So this gives you that solution to that with these 3 different options. And not only, they are intended to be used on the inside, as we've named them, Inside Greetings. However, they are perfect also for the exterior of a card if you want to put them there as well. So I'm going to read them to you so you can see them. I'm going to start with this one here in the middle. Even if there were 1 million candles on your birthday cake, they still wouldn't shine as brightly as you do. And here it is stamped, so you can see it here. Okay, and I just stamped a little flower on there, and that's just an example of how you can do it on an interior of a card. All right, and the last one says here, you may be another year older, but that's another year wiser, wonderful, and loved. And again, I just stamped it just so you can get an idea of how it will look. And then on the interior of this card, I actually finished it out with the first greeting here at the top, which says, wishing you all the joy that you deserve on this day and every day all year long. So 3 very great endearing birthday greetings that you can add to the interior of your projects, and of course the exterior as well if you would like to do that. So lots of different options here, 3 to be exact, but different font styles, different sizes a little bit, different wording to make it appropriate for whoever you are sending it to. So that concludes this video for introducing Inside Greetings Endearing Birthday mini stamp set. Retails for $6. Will be available on Monday, July 15th at 10 p.m. Eastern Time at ink2paper.com. Thanks so much for watching. You guys have a great day. Bye.